What is co-employee liability? Stay tuned. I recently heard about a concept called co-employee liability, and to help us learn about that, I've invited Brianne Thomas to join us today. Brianne, thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me.
Sure. Well, I know that you're an experienced plaintiff's lawyer based in Kansas City, Missouri, and you recently had some success with this concept called co-employee liability. What is it?
Prior to 2005 in Missouri, if you were injured on the job, your only remedy was filing a workers' compensation claim against the company or the employer. In 2005, the Missouri legislature amended the Workers' Compensation Act and mandated that the courts strictly construe the language of the act. This kind of backfired. The court said, okay, we will strictly construe the language, but that means because you haven't specifically exempted co-employees from liability, then if a situation arises where an injured worker is hurt on the job at the fault of a co-employee's negligence, then you can sue that co-employee now. In 2012, the legislature fixed their mistake and put in some stronger language in the act that made these cases harder, but between 2005 and 2012, there's a window of when these cases are allowed to proceed. So not only can you file a workers' compensation claim against the company or the employer, but you can also sue the negligent co-employee or supervisor that caused your injury. There's been about a dozen cases. The rules are really up in the air as to what cases can move forward and what cases can't. They're very, very fact specific. There's even a split in our jurisdiction between the Eastern District and the Western District appellate courts. The Western District has allowed some cases to move forward, while under similar facts, the Eastern District has not. So the liability is definitely not a sure thing. They can be very expensive to prove, but we've had some great success in these types of cases. We do get clients because of our experience in Missouri and Kansas in the workers' compensation area, and therefore we can investigate the co-employee aspect of those cases pretty easily during the work comp case.
Wow.
And we have separated and come up with a way to investigate and handle these cases and have settled a lot of cases very favorably for our clients. So we're really happy about those results.
Wow, that's awesome. Well, if a potential client is watching this and they had some questions about their case, do you charge to speak with them?
No, we are a contingency fee law firm. We don't charge a penny until we are successful for you, and our initial consultations are free.
Great. Well, I'll be sure to put your phone number and your website URL below this video on YouTube. Hey, thanks so much for helping us learn about a new topic today.
Thank you very much for having me.
Thanks for watching. Send your questions or comments to Michael at mike@howdavidbeatsgoliath.com.